What are my goals for the future and how can I discuss them in English? Well, my goal is to become a big and famous YouTuber. I dream of creating videos that entertain, inspire and bring joy to people around the world. Through my YouTube channel, I want to share my passions, talent and creativity to others. And to achieve my goals, I am committed to putting in the hard work, dedication and perseverance determined. I know that the path to becoming a successful YouTuber will not be easy. However, I am determined to overcome any challenges that come my way. Today is the day 1 of the series 30-day challenge of speaking in English. And today I am going to take a question is what did I do today and how can I describe it in English? So my answer is, well, I got up early in the morning, got fresh and I did some exercise for an hour. Today is second day of 30-day challenge. So today's question is, what new word and phrase did I learn today and how can I use them in sentences? So today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Shilpa and welcome to my 30-day English speaking journey. Well, over the past month, I have taken on the challenge of speaking English for only 1 minute and to improve my English speaking skills, to improve my language skills and build my confidence. So I'm going to share with you my experience, what I have learned, lesson, and I want to share with you I have been on my journey. During the journey, I faced various challenges, including moment of self-doubt and difficulty expressing myself. But I don't let these weakness hold me back. I try my best to stay focused and keep pushing forward. I believe in learning from my mistakes. However, I also experience the moment of triumph and growth. One of the biggest lessons I have learned, the importance of consistency and perseverance. Even on days when I did not feel comfortable, confident, I pushed myself to speak and gradually I saw the improvements in my language skills. Shilpa, why are you feeling so bad? Don't think very much. Please push yourself and try to do something new. And the second sentence is, no sooner did I step outside, it started raining cats and dog. And through this journey, I have learned so much about myself and my English speaking abilities. I discovered that speaking English every day, even just a 1 minute only can make the difference in your life. 29th day of the series 30-day challenge and today's question is, can I discuss a topic of personal interest and passion in English? Well, one of my greatest personal interests is mastering the art of speaking English confidently and fluently across different contexts. I am deeply passionate about honing my language skills as I find English to be incredibly fascinating or versatile, from engaging in everyday conversation to expressing myself eloquently. By prioritizing my personal interest in English fluently, I am not only expanding my linguistic capabilities but also opening doors to new opportunities, connections and experiences. For me, it is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. I also learned to embrace my mistakes as an opportunity for learning and improvement. So overall, this challenge has taught me the power of determination and the rewards of stepping out of my comfort zone. So as I conclude this journey, I want to express my gratitude for the support and encouragement I have received along the way. if you are the one who want to take the same challenge, the similar challenge, I encourage you to go for it. Remember that progress takes time, but every single step you bring takes you come closer to your goals. So finally, I would suggest you don't get embarrassed during this journey and don't give up. Okay, so thanks for joining me this journey, and I hope you have learned so many things. I hope you are going to start your journey. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling. Bye bye. Today I have learned a new word is serendipity. Serendipity is a noun, which means that finding something good without looking for it. If I talk about my parents, they are pillars of strength. They always give us. If I talk about my parents, they are pillars of strength. They always give our strength. They always mustered our courage.